What it is, what it ain't, it's your girl Umbrella, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I am switching up my usual flow to do a lip tutorial. Yes, I will be trying on these 4 Perfect Tone cream lipsticks by Black Radiance. These are perfect, perfect, perfect. Seeing is believing, first of all. You guys know I'm usually on here talking about the realest and the realest, you know what I'm saying. But in today's video, I just thought I'd switch it up. I am going to be doing more beauty videos in the near future. I cleaned my whole beauty area, so I just got inspired to do like a whole little situation. Let me show y'all. So this is my beauty area. So I got tons of like lipstick, lip gloss, you name it. So I will be talking about all this shit that I have. I have so much lip gloss, lipstick, and it's just what I do. Recently, I haven't really been wearing lipstick a lot. I got more into lip gloss this year, and I believe last year too. But I gotta talk about these lipsticks first of all, because I bought these a while ago, and I got some online at the Black Radiance website. After you see me try on these lipsticks, you're gonna want to head over to that website, okay? So I did get some of these from Walmart and on their website. And first of all, with Black Radiance, I always use their products because their products are geared towards black women, women of, you know, melanin skin tones of all ranges. And who doesn't want to support a black, you know, business, a business that represents us, the skin, you know what I'm saying, the brownness, you know what I'm saying. So we're going to get into this tutorial. Yes, this is more like it. Okay, so I just use a cocoa. What's this? No, excuse me. I used like 3 brown lip liners just now. First I used brown, then I used cocoa, and then I used coffee. So if you ever like are trying liquid lipsticks and you do not know which brown is gonna look right, use the lighter one first and then just build up till you get darker, and then it will give you the color that you're looking for. So this combo is the combo that I would go with. It's so cute. Ooh. Yeah, I gotta call myself Sexy Siren because this is like the brown for me. Okay, so this one is Sexy Siren. It's dry now, so it just looks so good. Like, this is what I mean. Like, you put it on and it's one shade, and then boom, Sexy Siren is here. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the next color. I just did a swatch for you guys. This one is Naughty Brown. This one is Sexy Siren. This one is Pretty Sexy. And this one is Bronze Sugar. You can tell the difference right here, the burgundy and the plum. That's the real difference. I am about to do Naughty Brown right now, so stay tuned, you sexy motherfuckers. Alright guys, this is the Naughty Brown, and it is naughty and brown. I love this color. To me, the difference between the first one and the first one, Sexy Siren, and this one is it has more of like a gray tone to it. It's really cute. It's definitely more on the browner side. I feel like the other one is more of like a yellow gold nude color, and I feel like that one goes, I mean, both of them go great with my skin, but I'm just glad that there's a difference because they do look alike in the bottle. But I'm happy. This is Naughty Brown, and it is naughty. Okay, let's go to the other one. In between, I'm actually putting on some of this lip oil from LA Colors. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and it's really good for this. Like if you're applying lipstick in between lipsticks, you can pop some of this on to saturate your lips so that your lips won't be crusty and hard in between, because you don't want that wearing a matte liquid lipstick. Formula is impeccable. This is the color. It does look better when it's just by itself, but boom, this is Pretty Sexy, and it is pretty sexy. Okay, I'm gonna get to the last color, Bronze Sugar. Let's get it on. So this is Bronze Sugar. These are all the colors. If you want to check on the website and see if you want to get some of these colors, they are on the website. I believe Pretty Sexy and Sexy Siren is not on the website, but they do have 16 other colors that you guys have to go see. I mean, have to for the spring. Like I said, they're on sale for $2.99. They have a lot of product in them. The formula is great, so if you eat like I do and you eat a sandwich, your lipstick will still be on, still be popping. This lipstick works with you. It's very popping. All the colors are like a muted shade of each color, which is popping, affordable. If you do not shop on the website, you can get these colors at Walgreens, at Walmart. I got some of these at Walmart. You can get them at Walmart. They are on Amazon as well. Make sure that you shop Black Radiance for Black Power, period, okay? It's Umbrella. Make sure that you like this video and make sure that you subscribe, because I did my thing, okay? Let me know how I did in the comments. I will be shouting out Black Radiance when I pop some pictures very soon wearing these colors. It's Umbrella. If you want more beauty videos, please meet me in the comments below. Give me your support and I will show you some love, okay? It's Umbrella and I'm out of here. Bye.